What's up, fam? How are you doing? Welcome to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time here, thank you so much for coming, and for those who joined me recently, I really do appreciate you guys for just showing me the love, like subscribing to my channel, watching my videos. I really do appreciate that. So today is my day 2 in Dubai, and I'll be going for Dubai city tour. Is it Dubai city tour? Yes, I'm going for Dubai city tour. So right now I'm going to have my breakfast, and then after that there's someone who's coming to pick me from here, and then I'm going to the bus. But I'll tag you along, like I'll bring you along in each and everything that I'm going to do today. So this is my outfit for the day. I'm wearing shorts, and I'll have this waist bag because I'm able to keep my lens over here, my camera over here. It's easy to access, so that's why I decided to carry this bag to Dubai, because it will be of help here. I think it's a bit dark, but these shorts are not too short, so I hope it will work. I will have to tie it nicely after breakfast, but for now, this is the look. I'm supposed to fold these shorts like this, but I feel like when I fold them, I'll see when I get out there. Yeah, so anyway, let's go for breakfast.
I live my life on the run. I say I'm not giving up. I may be living alone.
My breakfast is full veggie, and of course for the love of bacon.
In a similar way, I feel I'm losing my conscience. Traveling for days without my knowledge of provenance. Throughout my life, you caught me.
So good people, I'm here. Like I've met the person who we're going with, Ken.
Welcome to Dubai.
So we're going for Dubai city tour. We're going from here, we're going to the
Dubai Mall.
Dubai Mall.
Yeah.
So yeah, we are going to Dubai Mall, and then from there we'll get the bus from there.
That's where the bus stands.
Yeah, so we'll get the bus from there, and then from there we'll be going to so many places I don't know, but I'll take you along. Yeah.
Been on the streets a few months. I'm trying to pick myself up. I may be living alone, but I still believe in love. And although my flaws had dragged me down on the coldest night, I'm still kicking around there.
Here's your ticket.
Okay. Guys, I'm here at the Dubai Mall. I have my ticket.
Call me a renegade. Through all my loves, you said we could start again, but I'm a renegade of your love.
But I'm a renegade of your love.
Renegade of your love.
So on this video, I will definitely show you, like even explain to you a few places that I happen to know, or rather the ones that I remember from what you are being explained to when you're on this tour. But the ones that I don't remember, guys, please just bear with me and just enjoy how beautiful this city is. That's all. Yes, but yeah. I didn't tell you about the weather, but it's so good. Like it's not that hot, because Dubai is known to be hot, but it's not that hot. And that's why I'm seated here. The sun is out, but it's not that hot. Like it's around, it's normal. It's like Nairobi by this way. Dubai Frame is one of the places I would highly recommend you to visit when you get to Dubai, because first of all, it's within the Zabil Park, and it's one of the places whereby when you get to the top, you'll be able to see the old Dubai and the new Dubai, and there are so many activities that you can do around this area, so this is a must visit for you. Yes. So it's too windy and I decided to let go of this. But this place is beautiful, guys. Like, it's so beautiful that at some point I'm just staring and forgetting that I'm supposed to shoot for you. Like, So good people, one of the things that I've noticed since I came to this country, like this city, is that most of the buildings are labeled differently, like by the developer. That's what I understand. Like I've been told, because most of, like now where I am, like where my hotel is, that's Business Bay, you'll see that most of the buildings are either done by Damak or Emar. So you'll see that most of them are labeled like that. And now this area that we're going, the main developer, who I understand is one of the leading master developers in iconic projects in Dubai, is Nakel. So the properties that you're going to see, most of them are done by them. And even in Jumeirah, most of the buildings are done by Nakel, from my understanding and from what I've seen. Is one of the iconic places we have in Dubai, and I would highly recommend you to visit when you come to Dubai, definitely. And I'm sure you will enjoy so many water activities. There's a water park here, and the beach is just right in front of you. They have places where you can eat. I mean, they have everything. So if you want to, if you're a fan of water and you want somewhere where you can have all these water activities, they have a water park for you. So guys, you need to visit. We've gotten to the mall, and this is the end of the tour. So I'm gonna end this video for Dubai tour here, but I'm going to go to the mall, which will come on another video. Yes, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Like everything, like it was amazing. Most of the time I was just like wowed by every single thing I was seeing. The buildings are so beautiful. I'm sure you guys saw that, and it was just wow. Like I will definitely do that again. And it was 2 hours. It's around 12:30, almost 12:30. Started at 10, and I love everything. Like I can't complain. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.